How does something this big move so fast? You're tired now because you beat me up in the circle. Hey, I was going to snuggle with you. Come on. Come on, big dum-dum. Oh, we got another contender. Come on, Gizmo. You want to fight? Little Shih Tzus don't fight. Max. Max. He'll do his charge of the light brigade here. You can hear him digging into the carpet. Oh, God. Yes, Gizmo, he took me down. Yes, that's right. The room is spinning for Daddy. Gizmo's a little sweetheart. He's very concerned. Don't die again, Daddy. If I do, it's Max's fault. He killed me. Max, you big dum-dum. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Gizmo. It's nice to be treated well by somebody instead of being abused. Being beaten in the circle of death, or by the circle of death. His classic maneuver. Max, you're a good boy. Gizmo. Oh, thank you. Whenever Gizmo does the little shake, you get the classic snot spray with it. Just a little gift from a Shih Tzu for you. He's a good kid. Max, you ought to try being good. He is. He's a good boy.